Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're working on the Skyline. Show you what we're doing. All right, today's episode, just got some time to do the makeover. The other side had a rust spot like this one underneath here. I'm taking care of that now. You know, just taking the carpet out, washing it, making this thing pretty. There she is. All right, so like I said, we took the interior out, carpets out. Carpet's a pain in the butt, but I got her out. So now I'm gonna repair all the little surface rust that it has around the area. You know, I don't know why it has it, but who cares? We're gonna fix it, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna lease. That's why I took off the whole entire stuff back here. I'm gonna take all this stuff too. The whole entire interior. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm gonna hook up the system, make this fresh. Stay tuned. Right, so we are actually gonna undercoat the whole interior. I'm gonna paint it nicely, refreshing all these little rust spots that it has. I'll show you guys a little more, but I started taking out all the seat belts and wire harnesses just so I can get there. So stay tuned to this build that I'm gonna definitely go big on, because this car has been a dream of mine. So let's get started. All right, so this is how it looks stripped down, mostly. So, you get all the rust spots. Got some rust spots there. Little things here and there. Just want to make this thing fresh. Because an R34, it's not a GTR, but it's gonna be, you know, fresh car. Faster probably than a GTR. If I put the swap in, so be GTR, but not GTR. If you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm pretty much wrapping everything in the interior that I think is gonna get some type of overspray. Took out everything, even the shift knob thingy, which I'm gonna actually bring back to life. There she is. She's all beat up. I'm gonna bring her back to life. Everything back to life. So let's continue wrapping this, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. All right, she's all masked up, interior, ready to go under the knife for my little touches that I do. I do all this exterior shit, but I also do this shit right here. This shit right here keeps the car worth a lot. That's in my opinion. Because if you have a clean inside car like this, the way I'm gonna do it, then, you know. So, all right, moving with the back and the trunk. Somewhere, get a little bit of water here. I think it was from here, because I have this out. So, I think the water was running down from the tail light into there somehow. But, also I'm removing this. It's kind of ghetto, but gotta make a new plate or a box to mount it down, because this thing's not secure at all. Alright, so I remove all those plugs from the back. Show you guys full restoration of this car. So you see all the little rust here, specks here. It's gonna be immaculate when I'm done with it. So really stay tuned, guys. Really stay tuned. This build is gonna be wild. So I got all the tools I need, and I'm gonna do this now. All right, so she's all cleaned up, all the rust is gone. Now I'm gonna prime her up and seal it. So she's looking, restoration Skyline R34 in effect. All taped up because I don't want to overspray. So let's get a spray going. Alright, so that's how she's looking with the primer. Now I'm gonna do the undercoat once that dries up. Alright, so that's how the back's gonna look for now. Came out pretty fresh. I blended in that yellow because I couldn't find the same yellow. So I blended it in like that. Looking good, huh? And then show you what I did and get rid of all the little rust spots. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, black it out. Alright, so there you go, final product. Still gonna let it dry. Show you guys. Boom. Giving it extra life, baby. R34 wide body coming soon. Stay tuned. Alright, so that's with all the stuff off. Looks pretty good for me. I mean, it's just to prevent farther corrosion or rust. And that's what it looks like. Alright, so there she is, final product. It's painted with some good paint that I bought at the store. It's gonna be going in. I cleaned her up pretty nice. So this whole interior is gonna look fresh. Wait until you see it done. Alright, so it's installed in the car, it looks fresh. And now keep moving.